Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं exercise number 103. Wren Martin High School Grammar Book, Book 2 Composition, Chapter 15, The Sequence of Tenses. Supply verbs in correct concord in the following complex sentences. अब आपको यहाँ पर सही verbs को इसमें लिखना है. They sold the house because it was old. He solemnly assured them that they were quite mistaken. I come home when it began to rain. The soldiers advanced when the bugle sounded. I asked him what his name was. He had a cow that gave enormous quantities of milk. When the sun set, here can be three options: came home, returned home, or got home. He told them that they were wrong. I heard that there had been a disturbance in the city, or there was a disturbance in the city. Two options can be there. Could you doubt that there is a God? ये आपकी एक बहुत ही छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज थी. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में. तब तक आप सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन.